Can you make a song about galvanized square steel, eco-friendly wood veneers, and screws? Oh, obviously, that's of all the things I like writing songs about, that's clearly one of them. Hold on. These galvanized square steel, eco-friendly wood veneers and screws, they consume. These galvanized square steel, eco-friendly wood veneers and screws consume my life. It seems they're eco-friendly. Why don't people want to get with me about these wooden veneers and screws?